Alrighty. So it says it takes 1/3 of a yard of ribbon to make a hair bow. Hair bow is like you put in your hair. I would not be able to use one. Maya has 5 yards of ribbon. How many hair bows can she make? So she has 5 yards, okay, of this ribbon, right? And we're going to split it into 1/3. All right, not 1/3 of the 5 yards. Okay, that doesn't make sense. That would be 5/3. Okay, that's not what we're looking at. We're looking at 1/3 of a yard. So now that means we have to put our numbers 1 through 5 here. 2, 3, 4, 5. I know that wasn't great, but I'll try and do better next time. And so we want to now, so this is now, we're looking at one hole here. This is all of the ribbon she has. This is one hole. We're looking at a yard because it's 1/3 of a yard. So our hole is a yard. Okay, we need to split this hole into thirds. Okay, and then this is now 1 yard. We need to split that into thirds. This is 1 yard. That's another hole. We have to split that into thirds. This is 1 hole. We have to split that into thirds. This is a hole. We have to split that into thirds. Okay, now we count the thirds. So this is 1. So that means I can make 1 ribbon out of that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 ribbons. So the equation is I have 5 yards of ribbons. I'm finding out how many thirds there are in that, and the answer is 15. Okay, the answer is 15. Please circle the word equation. Challenge. Fancy hair bows take 3/4 of a yard of ribbon each. How many fancy hair bows? So we're still going to make, right? We have this 5 yards of ribbon, right? But we need to look at the hole, and the hole is 1 yard. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I do? Still didn't do that well. I guess I should look at that as I'm going. All right, but now look, it's fourths. Go ahead and circle that 4 to make sure you're listening. Now we have fourths. Okay, and 3 out of those 4 make a fancy hair bow. We need more material. Maya needs more material for her fancy hair bows. So now we want to split each hole into fourths. So there we go. This is now 1, 2, 3, 4 fourths. I'm going to pause it as I go through. Okay, so I've split this all into fourths, and now I need to count 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 1. And I'm going to make a bigger line there. 1, 2, 3. That's another one. 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 1, 2. Can she make that one? No, she can't. She would need 5 1/4 to get that one. So that one doesn't exist. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So she can do 6. So this is a little different. Did I do that right? It's kind of no, that doesn't make sense because 5 isn't in with 4, so that doesn't make sense. So we have 5 divided by 3/4 equals 6, and then some more, right? And then what? 1, 2 fourths, 6 1/2, I guess, right? We had 6, and then we have 1, 2 left, so 2 fourths. Cool.